In this video, we will see how to use Slicer to filter the table or pivot table. Press Ctrl-T and click OK to convert the data into table. Click anywhere in the table. Select Insert and then click on Slicer. Select the fields you want to use to filter your data, and once all the desired fields are selected, click OK. Arrange the slicer and move it where you want. And you can use the Slicer tab to format your slicers. Now your slicers are ready. Click on the slicer fields and you can see your data is getting filtered automatically. You can press Ctrl and hold it to select multiple items. Click on Clear Filter to clear the slicer's filters when you want to see all the data without any filter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.